You're not going to believe what Airbnb just did. They scrapped the strict cancellation policy in 11 countries. If you're a host, this is massive news, and it's going to hit your bookings, your calendar, and your wallet, whether you like it or not. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what changed, why Airbnb is doing it, and how it'll probably spread worldwide, and most importantly, what you can do right now to protect yourself and keep your income strong. This isn't just my opinion. I've pulled from Airbnb's own help center updates. First up, here's the quick version of what happened. As of January the 20th, 2025, Airbnb removed the option for new listings to use the strict cancellation policy in 11 countries: Argentina, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Morocco, Netherlands, the Philippines, Poland, South Africa, Sweden, and Turkey. If you had strict before that date and did nothing, Airbnb has automatically switched your listings to firm. Hosts had the option to opt out, but if you missed the email or the notification, tough luck, you've got moved. Now, if a guest books after January the 20th in those countries, the strict policy is gone. And you can only pick flexible, moderate, limited, a new 14-day version, or firm. And every single policy now comes with a built-in 24-hour free cancellation window, no matter what. That means that more flexibility for guests and a lot more risk for you, the host. Why would Airbnb kill off one of the most host protective policies? 3 reasons. First, regulations. Governments in places like Canada, the Netherlands, and part of the EU are tightening consumer protection laws. Airbnb is trying to stay ahead of regulators by offering guests friendlier policies before they get forced to. Second is guest satisfaction. Let's be real, guests hated the strict policy. If they had to cancel a trip last minute and lose 50 or even 100% of their payment, this led to angry reviews and bad press for Airbnb. Airbnb's betting that happier guests equal more bookings long term. The third one is competition. Platforms like Booking.com and Hotels.com offer flexible cancellations as the norm. Airbnb wants to level up or lose market share. Rental Scale Up pointed this out. Airbnb's new limited policy and the 24-hour free cancellation window basically mirrors what hotels have been doing for years. The bottom line is that this is a business move to stay competitive, not a move to protect hosts. So what does this really mean for you? It means you're going to see more cancellations. You might have more last minute holes in your calendar. Your revenue forecasting just got a lot more shakier. Before, strict gave you a security net. Even if somebody bails 6 days before arrival, you kept their money. Now, depending on the policy, you might get 50% or nothing. Hosts are already seeing it. On the Reddit Airbnb host forum, people are sharing that cancellations have gone up, especially for bookings made months in advance. You'll have to work harder to manage your calendar, possibly raise your rates a bit and prepare for guests to turn over more. So what does this mean to your bookings? The short answer is yes. Almost definitely Airbnb didn't pick these 11 countries randomly. They're a mix of North America, Europe, South America, Africa, and Asia Pacific. It's a real world test case. So this means it is going to be rolled out worldwide. If this change boosts bookings without too many complaints, Airbnb will of course roll it out. In fact, Rental Scale Up reports that Airbnb have hinted hosts should pay attention to these changes, suggesting a global rollout is coming if the pilot goes well. So if you're hosting in the USA, UK, Australia, anywhere else, expect the strict policy to disappear sometime in 2025 or 2026. You have been warned. Now, the part that you really care about. Here's what smart hosts are doing to adapt. Number 1 is they can enable the non-refundable booking option. Inside your Airbnb settings, you can offer a cheaper, non-refundable rate Guests can choose a discount for zero cancellation rights that locks income even under flexible or firm policy. The next is to raise your rates slightly. Build a cancellation risk premium into your pricing. If you expect a few extra cancellations, spread the risk across your bookings. When cancellations happen, having a backup plan. For example, building an email list, texting past guests, or promote last minute deals in local Facebook groups. And obviously, diversify onto other platforms. Vrbo still lets you use strict cancellation policies, even a no refund option. Direct bookings through your own website, even better because it's your rules, you set them and you can stick to them. This is where using dynamic pricing tools like Price Labs, Wheelhouse can automatically adjust your pricing to fill gaps when cancellations happen. And of course, prepare financially. Set aside a little reserve each month. Hosting is about managing cash flow. Not every booking will stick anymore. This isn't just a theory. Hosts who have adapted quickly, even during the COVID era cancellation chaos, came out stronger. This is the same playbook now. Look, is this change annoying for hosts? 100% yes. Does it feel like Airbnb siding with the guests over hosts again? Yes, 100%. But if you understand the game, you can still win. The hosts who adapt, use smart pricing, market better, diversify their platforms are going to thrive. The ones who sit back and complain, not so much. This is a business. It's shifting. The smart ones adapt. I'll be keeping my eye on the rollout worldwide. And if you want updates, strategies, and real talk on how to stay ahead, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and follow along. And if you found this video helpful, drop a comment. I'm curious. Are you seeing more cancellations already? Are you staying with Airbnb or starting to move bookings elsewhere? Let's chat below. And if you like this video, then YouTube recommends that you watch this one next.